my girls and gays and ladies and gays and girls and gays and ladies and gents. It is 12:45. I have just awoken from my slumber. Ashley's at class right now and I'm in her apartment all by myself. So I'm just chilling. I don't think I've ever filmed by myself, so this is very odd. Please don't roast me. It's 12:45. I just woke up. I gotta make breakfast. Apartment tour sneak peek. I think pancakes is actually the easiest one. Gluten-free pancake mix. They're not even gluten-free. I'm pretty sure regular pancake batter doesn't need eggs, but then gluten-free one does. So now I'm using egg replacer. Okay, so what are we gonna be doing while we're cooking, you may ask? The answer is, I'm gonna pretend that we're like chatting, like we're just talking, and I'm gonna look up some spicy questions to ask both of us. Except you're not answering the questions, I'm asking the questions to myself. But if you have answers, feel free to comment them, because I honestly wanna know. One time my friend told me like, oh, when I'm like talking to someone, like, and you run out of things to say, I just look up like questions to ask a guy. And I was like, weird, but now I'm doing it. Fucking damn, here's the bowl. Oh. Ew. I don't have my pancakes. Let us listen here now. Oh, I hate disposable like this and plastic. Ugh. Now I'm gonna start making my pancakes. You know, personally, if it were me and it was the morning, I would be making waffles, as a donkey once said, but she does not have a waffle maker, nor does she have frozen waffles. So I think I should get started with the questions right now. So this blog post is called, Ask Him These Top 25 Things If You Have a Crush on Him. Aww. Okay, number one, you get to marry one fictional character. Who is it? I accidentally read the first question before I even started, and instinctually I wanted to say Peeta from the Hunger Games because I was in love with Peeta for like 5 years at least. It's a crazy life I live. I think Jackson Avery from Grey's Anatomy is also very sane. Pretty decent looking, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna say that's my answer, Peeta. I don't give a shit right now. Bake me bread? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yep, I am. Okay, babies, let's get started with this pancake mix. No, I just it's gonna make way too much because I'm only one person. Oh, I guess Ashley will come home to pancakes. Aww. That is so sweet. That is so sweet of me to make her pancakes after class at 1 p.m. You have no idea how many powders I've already spilled on her apartment. Yikes, yikes. Last time I lived in an apartment, I was like 8 or something. I don't remember what apartment living is like. I don't remember hearing my neighbors, but now I'm suddenly hearing so many neighbors. I'm confused right now. So the next question is, what was the last book you got so absorbed into that you couldn't put down? This is so sad. I haven't read a book since like 8th grade. The answer is Maze Runner. That's probably like the last book I ever read. That's also the only movie I've ever cried at. The only movie I've cried at is Maze Runner. Can you believe that? That's so sad. I feel like it wasn't even that good of a movie. I was just like 13 and like so susceptible to like, you know, sci-fi books. I don't know. In your mind, what are your 3 biggest weaknesses? Damn, it's about to get real in here. I'm going to have to say not understanding my self-worth. Bro, too deep. But like, that's just how I get in bad situations. Yeah, 3 biggest weaknesses, that has to be one. Oh, maybe this is supposed to be like a funny question, like dogs. Shit. Okay, no, it's not dogs, it'd be cats if anything. Biggest weaknesses. Calzones. Yeah, let me just pretend I didn't say the first one. Blaze pizza and pho. Yeah, I think that's it. 3 words to describe yourself. Bro, I had to do this for my college applications. My answer for that was passionate, inventive. I don't know what I said. It was something like that. But really, I think it honestly would be passionate. Like, I'm not even lying about that one. I want to say inventive. I don't know. Sarcastic. That is probably the last one. Bad at dealing with people. Number 4. That shit's relatable now. What is better to listen to, your heart or your brain? Your brain. I've got to be honest, it's your brain. Maybe I'm naive, but I think with what I've dealt with in my life, I think the answer is my brain. Do you consider yourself a spiritual person? How about religious? Let me get weird here. Spiritual? Probably. Shouldn't everyone be spiritual in like some way? Like, there must be like some kind of like weird energy you believe in. Religious? No, I was not raised religious, and I do not consider myself religious now. I'm down to go to church with a friend if anyone wants to have a sleepover into a Sunday and drag me to church. I've never experienced that. I would love to. I've never been to church. That'd be crazy, I think. Bro, I gotta heat up this pan though. This pan though. I was alone. I took a ride. I didn't know what I would find there. It's too early for me to be singing like that. Bro, if it was 8 p.m., it's a different story though. That shit would be fire though. There's my sludge. I realized I posted the last video. I was like, I'm gonna post so much. And then it was like I had to finish college applications, like my very last ones that I cared about the most because they're like my top schools. And then I had midterms. As if that stuff even matters. Midterms, stupid. Yeah, I don't know. Ashley gets, am I allowed to say this? Probably, definitely. Ashley gets like scent like clothes from brands, because she like, that's her brand on YouTube is like, I open clothes, kind of like that's how it is. But no brand sent me anything, so I have to think of videos all by myself. It's not even fair, no. That's what I have to do with thrift haul soon, just so I can maybe try and distinguish myself as like that genre of YouTube. Who knows if I am that genre? I think that's the easiest genre. I think you get the most benefits from that genre, unless maybe you're like a world like traveler person. I don't know. I don't know how this stuff works. I don't know. You tell me. What would you do if you inherited $1 million tomorrow? Honestly, like why is my like instinct? I'm like, I'm gonna buy stuff and make a video with it. $1 million. I don't give a shit. I don't know. I honestly, not to be like fake woke, if I just have my blender and my laptop, those are the only two material things I need, honestly. That pancake was very pale, and I don't think I need, never mind, you don't care. Next question. What do you want to have going on in your life in 5 years, at 10, or in 15? 5 years from now, I probably want grandchildren. 10 years, maybe children. 15, siblings. I'm just kidding. Which would you rather be, smart or happy, and why? I would much rather be happy than smart. I swear to God, all the happiest people I know are dumb stupid, because I think they just don't know what's going on, like at all. I'm not answering my biggest regret. Why would I answer that on this video? It's a morning channel. This is a family channel. I'm just kidding. What actor would play you in a movie about your life? Probably Scarlett Johansson. I'm just kidding. I came up with that so fast. Probably find someone half Asian that's like kind of lit, you know? Here are my pancakes. My battery on the camera died, so unfortunately,
I'm home from school.
Yep.
That's actually interesting right now.
You know what I was doing? I was answering questions on this blog post.
Questions to get him laughing. What's the sexiest animal in the animal kingdom? It just says it right there.
Sexiest animal. Who's a celebrity that you have a crush on, Ashley?
You didn't even answer the question.
Oh,
Jake
Chad.
Gyllenhaal.
Are you serious right now?
100%.
Wait, honestly?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll just answer Casey Fry then. Celebrity I have a crush on? Yeah. There's so many. Let me think.
Vin Diesel? I'm just kidding.
All the Gallagher boys from Shameless.
I think Ian's the cutest one.
Ian?
Actually, no, Carl when he grows up.
Carl when he grows up. I think Lip is the most attractive personality though.
Lip looks interesting.
Yeah, that personality really gets to me.
Amber justifying why she dates ugly men? I'm just kidding.
Do you think it's possible that we met in a previous life actually? Probably definitely together in every life.
We were like dating.
Word.
I was like probably your grandma.
I was gonna say that I would be your mother.
Why not I'm your mother?
I don't know, that would make more sense. Actually, if we get to marry one fictional character, who is it?
Think of a really hot and attractive male cartoon character right now.
Johnny Bravo.
No, Amber.
That's the only thing I can think of. The Powerpuff's dad.
No, Amber.
Oh, Billy and Mandy Billy. The Grim Reaper. Mandy.
I mean like the guy from Mulan or like Prince Charming or something.
Wait, actually, do you like Peter or Gail more?
Gail, no offense.
The answer is Peter. That makes so much sense that we both answer like that. How do you feel about Miley Cyrus and Liam Hemsworth getting married?
I feel good.
I feel great.
What's the best advice anyone has ever given to you? Don't be stupid. That's what you always say to me, and it's TBH good advice whenever you say it.
I think the best advice that I ever received was, Amber, honestly, you're way too pretty to be talking to ugly guys. And then I was like, my eyes were just open.
Was that legit your best advice?
I'm being serious, it was. And I heard it like last week. I've been letting ugly guys ruin my life. I can't believe it. Wow, I can't believe it. And if you need to hear that right now, you're too pretty and overall fantastic to be talking to ugly loser guys. That's my advice. Or girls.
Ugly personalities as well.
Ugly personality, not worth it. If you're like, oh, but I actually like them. No, you're lying to yourself. Bruh, guys, we're going to California. Me and Ashley are going together by ourselves in mid to early February. Yeah, it's gonna be like very fun. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna start wrapping this up. So just so you guys have an idea and know that I'm not just slacking on this so hard, I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm planning. So we're going to California, I already said that. Vlogs. Ashley, thanks for making so much noise.
So sorry, Raina.
I want to try and do fitness, like health, diet, lifestyle videos, but you know, that's kind of difficult because I mainly work out at the gym, and I don't think anyone even like wants to watch that. Let me know if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm gonna do a fitness routine thing, if you want to see with machinery or without machinery, like in a gym or not in a gym, you know? Oh, I'm also planning on doing like thrift hauls, if I can like find my own kind of clothing videos, because I think my style is different than Ashley's. Thanks. Yo, look at Ashley's lunch. What the heck? This is kale. This is curry that I made, which is honestly so good. It's rice and avocado, tomatoes, alfalfa sprouts, and tofu.
I love the bowl. The bowl is what really gets me.
That is fantastic. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Adios, amigos.
In the kitchen, wrist twisting like a stir fry. Whip it, hold them bands down. Hey, hold your mans down. Hey, who told you come around? Who? This that trap sound. Trap, designer clothes. Clothes, fashion shows.